I'm Dr. Angela Murphy, and I'm the VP of Research, Development and Global Education at Dermalogica. And today we're talking about daily glycolic cleanser. We're seeing an increase in concern around dull skin or uneven skin that lacks radiance and brightness. This can occur for all skin conditions due to the buildup of dead skin cells and environmental factors such as pollution. With this in mind, we formulated new daily glycolic cleanser to renew dull, uneven skin tone by removing dulling dead skin cells daily while also conditioning the skin. With glycolic acid cleansers, the combination of the acid and mild surfactants or cleansing agents used in the formula is key. We have paid special attention to this ratio to provide skin brightening while helping to keep the skin's moisture barrier intact. This, combined with the conditioning and soothing actives, really enhance the overall cleanser experience and results for luminous, healthy-looking skin. Glycolic acid is known to be one of the smallest and most potent of the alpha hydroxy acids, making it an excellent choice for exfoliation. It works by ungluing the bonds between the dead skin cells at the surface of the skin. This allows dead skin cells to shed more rapidly than they would on their own, revealing the new, brighter and healthier looking skin underneath. Daily Glycolic Cleanser uses glycolic acid and gentle cleansing agents alongside conditioning ingredients to help maintain the skin's lipids, including Calendula Extract, a botanical extract from the marigold flower, which has soothing and antioxidant properties, and Jojoba Seed Oil, rich in omega-9, which has conditioning properties and helps soothe skin discomfort while simultaneously moisturizing the skin.